Gawin, maraming nabibili, mga
So,
sibuyas.
key fob. Yung key fob daw is a small electronic device that acts like a key. No, para magbukas ng pinto or para mag-start ng sasakyan. So, yung fob, yung FOB is hindi pre-on board. Kasi sa business, yung FOB is pre-on board. Ito ang tawag dito is frequency operated button. So, ibig sabihin, dun sa key fob, meron siyang frequency. Kumbaga, radio frequency technology that unlocks a door or start a vehicle. So, yung frequency na nasa loob ng device activates a car or opens a door. So, yun yun. Meron na naman tayong natutunan ng frequency operated button. So, ibig sabihin, pag frequency operated button, ano yan? Radio frequency technology yan. So, yan. Another tech vlog na naman tayo dyan. So, yun lang po.